Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover Android View Animation slide in out from left and right. For Android View Animation slide in out from left and right in Android, we need to create XML animation files. And in the XML animation files, we use from XDelta and to XDelta. Mobile screen XDelta 0%, left hand side minus 100%, right hand side 100%. In Android Studio, first we will create a new project. We will select empty activity. We will give a name to the project and language Kotlin. For view animation slide in right and slide out left, we will be required two XML animation files. We will right click in the resource directory, then new Android resource file, file name slide in right, resource type animation, root element set, directory name anim. In slide in right XML animation file from XDelta 100% to XDelta 0%, it should be to XDelta, not to YDelta. Duration 600, interpolator at the rate of Android /anim / accelerate decelerate interpolator. Now we will create another XML animation file. We will right click in the resource directory, then new Android resource file, file name slide out left, resource type animation, root element set, directory name anim. In slide out left XML animation file from XDelta 0% to XDelta minus 100%, duration 600, interpolator at the rate of Android /anim / accelerate decelerate interpolator. We will go to the main activity layout file and there we will create a text view and a button. By default, text view will be hidden. Text view layout width and layout height match parent. On clicking the button, we will make the visibility of the text view visible and we will apply slide in right animation in the text view. After slide in right animation, the text view would be in display, and when we will click on the text view, we will apply slide out left animation on the text view. In the main activity onCreate method, we are getting the reference of the text view and the button, and we are setting onClick listener on the text view and the button. We are creating a method slide in right animation, and inside it we are first getting animation by using animationutils.loadAnimation. First parameter is context this, second parameter is slide in right XML animation file. Then we are setting listener in the animation. When animation will start, in onAnimation start callback method, we are making the visibility of the button gone and the text view visible. From inside button on click, we are calling the method slide in right animation. We are creating another method slide out left, and inside it also using animationutils and slide out left XML animation file. Setting animation listener, and inside callback method on animation end, we are hiding the text view and displaying the button again. From inside text view on click, we are calling the method slide out left. In both the method at the end, we are starting animation by using text view.startAnimation, and in the parameter we are passing the animation. Our code is ready now. We could run the app. On clicking the button slide in right, the text view will slide in from right, and when we will click on the text view will slide out left. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.